Did you know that 70% of the body's immune system is connected to the digestive tract? This is why, as a registered dietitian and author of 7 nutrition and wellness books, I always recommend my clients and readers to eat more probiotic-rich foods for a healthy gut. And a healthy gut is essential to maintaining overall health. Based on my years of experience coaching clients with their nutrition, I know they're not getting enough probiotic foods. Probiotic-rich foods are limited. There are not many options. And let me guess, probably kimchi and sauerkraut are not on top of your shopping list. So I have partnered with GoodBelly to share with you today their new GoodBelly Immune Support Shots and Quarts. They are designed to help support your immune system with 1 billion probiotics packed in each serving. The strain of probiotics provided in GoodBelly Immune Support has been shown in clinical studies to help support the body's immune system. Immune Support shots come in a pineapple passion fruit or lemon ginger turmeric flavor, and quarts are available in pineapple passion fruit or citrus guava. We know we need to eat more probiotic foods, but sometimes we want to get them quick and easy. What I love about GoodBelly Immune Support is that you can get a serving right when you're heading out the door for work, after your workout, or pair it with your afternoon snack. I highly recommend these shots and quarts as your new and easy way to get your probiotics. And remember, good health starts in your belly. To learn more, visit GoodBelly.com.